Today, we take you inside a modern gold plating facility to show how ordinary objects are
Our journey begins deep in the gold mines, where raw ore is carefully extracted from the earth using heavy machinery and skilled labor.
The freshly mined gold ore is transported carefully to the processing facility, ensuring every precious fragment reaches the factory safely.
Every journey begins deep beneath the earth.
Raw stone is broken to reveal what hides inside.
The ore moves forward, and the process awakens.
Precision replaces chaos. The raw gold ore is crushed and ground into fine powder, exposing the precious metal for the refining process.
Weight decides what lives and what falls.
Upon arrival at the factory, each crate of gold ore is carefully inspected and prepared for the refining process.
The earth becomes powder before it becomes treasure.
In the refinery, chemicals separate the gold from its impurities, revealing pure metal hidden within the slurry.
The heavier essence reveals itself first. Chemistry extracts what strength cannot. Gold clings only to what can hold it.
Heat releases the captured metal.
A crude shape of value takes form. Extreme fire purifies everything.
Here, impurities have nowhere to hide.
Shape is chosen by the hands that guide it.
Heat fades, certainty remains. The purified molten gold is poured into molds, forming the first solid shapes that will soon become finished pieces. The molten gold is cast into molds, forming the basic shapes of jewelry that will later be polished and perfected.
Machines carry what humans once held.
Every flaw is hunted.
Purity is more than a number. Value grows silently, row by row. Some gold must bend before it becomes useful. Precision engineering begins now.
Gold becomes the conductor of life.
Health meets the purest metal.
Beauty grows from fire.
Hands bring shine to stories. Symbols of value take their final form.
Perfection requires discipline.
The journal nears its end.
Every piece must be trusted.
From dust to design, gold becomes everything.
From raw gold to every product, this is the complete process.